Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube tutorial. So today we are going to draw and color a beautiful scenery. For that, let's first draw mountains. I'm using black marker pen to draw this outline. Then add bushes. I'm using this cloud shape. Just follow me step by step and this drawing is going to be very beautiful. Now add lake. Now draw small house. One circle and rectangle as a door. Or you can also give this design. Again some bushes around the house. Draw one tree. For upper portion we are using same cloud shape. On the left side again we will draw one more tree. Keep watching this video till the end. When you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon so whenever we post a new video, you get notified. Draw a small boat. You can also draw some fishes. The more you add detail, the more beautiful it will become. So don't forget to add your creativity to this drawing. You can also send us your drawing with extra creativity and we will post it on our Instagram page mentioning your name. Draw sun and add some clouds too. Our beautiful scenery is ready. Now it's time to color it. Let's get started. I'm using standard colors. For sky light blue, for sun yellow, for mountain brown, for bushes green, but you can try any color. Let your imagination get colorful. Light green color for grasses and tree color tree. And some detailing for house I'm using deep pink and orange color. Please like, share and subscribe and you can send us your drawing on our Instagram account. Thanks for watching.